Hey, y'all. It's me.
And Monkey.
And we're doing
Monkey's Picks.
Woohoo! Come on in. I'm going to get you pulled up. Maybe. This girl's tired, y'all. I'm tired. Hello. Everybody's saying hi.
Hi.
You got to take that off. I cannot look at you. Funny. All right, so we are doing Monkey's Picks. So it is going to be a mystery box that you get. He's going to make up the packs, and then I'm just going to box them up and ship them out to you. So he gets to pick which ones go in the box. I have the 6-inch and I have the 8-inch. The 10-inch didn't sell very well, so I've decided not to offer the 10-inch in the mystery box. So that's what we're doing, y'all. So these are already available on my website. They are under supplies, and it's Monkey's Picks. And I have the 6-inch listed for $35 with free
shipping.
And then the 8-inch are $40 with
free shipping.
So they're all free shipping. So it's just a mystery of which box you're gonna get, y'all. All right. So these are all fall, Halloween, and Christmas Santas. No, every day. These are wreath Santas, so flower Santas. And they're on my website, y'all.
And technically Valentine's Day.
No, that's a poinsettia. So that's Christmas.
Okay.
So these are the ones that are going in the mystery boxes for the 6-inch. Okay. So he's just going to pick 6 and put them together. Y'all, I was so tired I didn't even make up the boxes. So I've got some space right here on my table. We're just going to line them up and go from there. So is that 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There is box 1. We'll probably get one of those fall ones in there. Is that 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Try this one, because that one already has 2 snowflakes. What do you think? Okay. Box 3, y'all. So you get 6 Santas in these mystery boxes.
And one more, of another one because there's only 6.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We already have one of those. So why don't you pick that one? Well, oh, hold on. Hold on. Oh, we already have one of those. How did we get mixed up? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do I have another one laying around somewhere?
No.
How about
You guys can make your own.
Yeah. How about I add a poinsettia to this one?
Yeah.
So that'll be a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
You have to give
6.
You have to give them one of those to make it.
Well, I'm gonna make it.
Oh.
I'm gonna make it and ship it to them.
Okay.
Okay? So there'll be more available, y'all. Alright, so now we're gonna do
The 8-inch.
the 8-inch.
Because
So
that's the number I am.
let's sort these so they can see some that are gonna be in these. Look at that poinsettia, y'all. Some Halloween.
I love poinsettias.
Oh, look at that one.
I love poinsettias.
Oh, look at that doggy, y'all. This one has some plaid, and they'll all be cleaned up before you get them. I promise you.
This one's already getting cleaned by me.
Oh, he's cleaning it, y'all. See, I told y'all I was tired. I didn't even sort these yet.
Okay. This one's now still $35.
This set is 40
Oh, okay.
because these are the bigger ones, right?
We only have one of these ones.
I don't know. I'm still sorting. I'm just sorting, man. And they already come with a cable mount on the back. So all you have to do is attach them to your wreath.
I was thinking we can do one where I pick some.
How cute that one is.
Did you ask them to do the competition that I said?
Oh, no. I haven't had time, Monk. Oh, look at that one, y'all.
The next
Isn't
live,
that gorgeous?
the next live we're gonna do is picking the wreath that I'm gonna make. We're gonna make wreaths.
Oh, you're going to make a wreath?
Uh-huh.
Oh.
You're gonna have to teach me.
I'll teach ya.
Yay!
Hey, y'all. I know, I thought you was helping me. But you're just sitting there looking purty.
I'm the cleaner.
He's the cleaner, y'all.
I clean the ones that I like the best.
All right, so give me 6. Now, these are the 8-inch centers. You get 6 for $40. Oh, you can't see this one. Come on. 2. You already got one of those.
I'm not looking.
3, 4. How about a pumpkin? 5. And a football. Football season. You could easily put any team colors with your football. Hold on. I've already got 6. 5, 6. So I'm going to line them up here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
That's more than 6. I
Hey,
think.
hey, Charlotte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which one you want to take out? We are doing the mystery picks. So you get a mystery box of flower Santas. Oh, look at the Santa, y'all. I love me some Santas. Okay,
And this
keep
year,
working.
we're
Get a
doing
pumpkin.
We're doing a decoration off with the person in front of us.
Oh, okay. Already got a Santa.
Okay. You go.
3,
You go.
4,
You go.
5.
You go.
Ooh, how about this one? Because this one doesn't have any Halloween. So 1,
that's
2,
Halloween.
3, 4, 5, 6.
It's Halloween right there.
Oh, that's fall.
Oh, okay.
Oh, look at the spider web. Oh, Christy wants one with the puppy Santa.
Well, too bad. It's a mystery.
1, 2, 3, 4. Give me a pumpkin.
Oh, pumpkin.
And we'll put a dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Also, put her name on it and then ship it out to her.
Christy, if you want one with the puppy, put it in the in the remarks, and I'll see what I can do.
There's 49 people watching me.
I know. Come on. 1.
Last time it was next to 100.
I know. Where's everybody at? A wreath with the cloth Santas. I don't have one close to me, but if you go on my page and look under photos, you'll see tons of wreaths with these Santas.
Oh, it's 50.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
53.
Yay! Come on, man.
Hey, clean.
I'll clean them. Football. He's so handsome. Y'all don't make his head any bigger. Oh, that one's getting 2 turkeys? Okay, that one's getting 2 turkeys.
It's a mystery. You can't say it.
5, 6. Oh, sorry.
I mean, they won't know which one it is.
They don't know what they're getting. How's school, Monk?
Good.
Oh, you're putting 2 of those in there?
No.
Monkey is doing Monkey's picks for the mystery boxes that are on my website. They're all listed under supplies. And they are mystery box, mystery Santa boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
You did all of them.
Huh?
You did all of them.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And this one,
So your last one is by default.
And we're just gonna add one of the 6 inches to this one.
Well, you've got these.
Oh, I didn't see those.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And how about, this one's already done.
Okay.
How about, since this one's a duplicate, how about we pick 2 6-inch Santas for this one?
You guys get more than one.
There you go. So somebody will get
7,
1,
8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 Santas on that one.
I'm sorry, I forgot my math.
So that one's a dupe.
Yay.
All right. Is that it?
57.
Whoop, whoop.
No, will be his next. See you guys later on Monkey's Wreaths.
All right, y'all. So that's all for Monkey's Picks. These are all available at monkeyscreations.com under supplies. You can pick the 8-inch or the 6-inch, and it's a mystery really as to what you get. And that's it. All right. Tell everybody bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, y'all.